Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. In today's video, I'm really excited to be getting into some amazing writing softwares that you guys should know about. I use writing platforms. I use so many different ones, and if you've seen a lot of my different videos, I have explored quite a lot of different writing platforms, writing spaces that go through all the writing process, whether it be brainstorming, whether it be just motivating you to write, whether it be actually running your manuscript document or world building, character building, all that stuff. So today I've actually narrowed down the list to 8 of my favorite and most used platforms that I use to write my books, and which will help your process so much. And this video is actually sponsored by Tailors, but more about them in the video. Okay, so the first writing software that you guys need to know about is quite a, obvious one, which is Google Docs. If you guys have been using Microsoft Word, just use Google Docs. This is just going to be a really simple one because I hope you just use Google Docs already. But Google Docs is my favorite thing because it's on the cloud. It saves every single change you make. So if you add one little letter into the document, it saves to the cloud. It's also really secure, and I really adore it because I can use it on multiple devices, whether that be at uni, at home, downstairs. You know, I can use it because it's updated, always on the cloud. The second software that I really encourage you guys to use is Artbreeder. If you guys haven't heard of Artbreeder, it's an amazing AI character building platform where basically you can create your characters, and I've done a lot of different videos on this. I do have a lot of different tutorials. Definitely go check that out up there. But I really do adore making my characters and seeing them come to life. It's really fun, and literally I spend hours on this platform. It's free, so go ahead and just check out artbreeder.com. The third platform I'm actually really excited to be sharing with you today, and that is tailors.io. I adore Tailors. It's amazing. I've been wanting to work with them for a long time, and I finally have the chance to share it in this video. Tailors is an innovative, functional, and cutting-edge writing application. What's especially amazing about Tailors is they have so many different tools that is so helpful for writers. A lot of different other applications or writing platforms are very limited in their scope and ability to help with writing development, with your proofreading, with your ideas, but Tailors is amazing. Tailors has so many different amazing new features, such as embedded dictionary and synonyms. This is amazing because Google Docs does not have synonyms or like definitions. And basically every other writing platform like this does not have this. And to me, I need a thesaurus right there on my side as I'm writing. This was literally just a no-brainer for me. I just need synonyms and thesaurus and a dictionary inbuilt right next to where I'm writing my drafts. I'm able to easily just highlight words and see so many different amazing synonyms, which I can actually, you know, include in my draft. Another amazing feature that Tailors has that I've not seen in any other writing platform is their rephrase option. You can literally rephrase a whole sentence through their AI inbuilt into their system. It's literally so cool. So as you guys can see, I'm just highlighting a little sentence from my book, and I just got to go ahead and click rephrase, and look, it's literally rephrased in a different way. So this is helpful for me because when I'm writing my first drafts especially, I find it so difficult to move on when I know a sentence isn't right. So this allows you to kind of rephrase your words in one click, where your ideas stay the same, the description stays the same, but it's just mixed up a little bit. So if you're ever struggling, this feature will help so much. And yet another amazing thing about Tailors is their proofreading system. Literally so easy, and I feel like it's a lot better than Word or Google Docs. Google Docs basically has no sort of editing system, so that's why I've actually switched for Project BB to work on this project in Tailors, because I feel like it's so much more sensitive to little things, and it allows me to kind of really reflect on the stylization of my writing whilst also making sure it makes sense, because as you guys know, I'm a writer and sometimes my mind and my brain does not work, does not compute. So having Tailors here is just really helpful. There's so many more features, like the goals section to keep track of what you're writing. There's the ability to highlight, so if you ever need to kind of make note of a particular section in your manuscript, that's really simple and easy. And also an amazing feature that I've not seen anywhere else is this little icon, which is like the headphones. And when I clicked on that and explored this for the first time, I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. This sort of view allows you to click on different paragraphs and really focus on one and not get distracted by other parts of your story. So this is so cool, so helpful, and it just reminds me of reading my book in an official manuscript or official book. It's literally so fun, and it really does hone in on particular parts of your book, which I find so helpful. Thank you so much, Taylor's, for sponsoring this video. I really do encourage you guys to go check the link in the description to check them out, and hopefully you'll be able to see the amazing features of Taylor's and start writing or brainstorming your book today. So thank you so much, Taylor's, for sponsoring this video, and let's go ahead and get on to the other platforms that I really do enjoy. Let's go. Okay, so the next writing platform that I really do love is actually KDP. This is Kindle Direct Publishing, which allows you to literally create a physical copy of your book and get it sent to you. So if you do have a actual manuscript, or even if it's just the zero draft or the first draft, and you want to actually have a physical copy to flip through and actually hold like a book, check out KDP. If you guys don't know, I am publishing Project Ghost, and I have the book here, which I can't show you the front cover because that's secret. But this is the literal book. Like, it's structured like a book, it's literally like a book, and I've had so much fun, and it's just so cool being able to read this book physically and able to write notes, highlight, and everything as I'm going through the editing process. I literally only need to pay like $5 for this copy, which is pretty crazy. I think it's honestly a lot cheaper and a lot more fun as well than actually getting it printed out at like an Officeworks or something like that. And even then, it's really difficult. So I think if you really have always wanted to just have your book on the shelf, check out KDP. Next up is a platform called Writey. You guys have probably maybe heard of Writey before. I had so much fun actually when I started to write to upload my short stories, because Writey Prompts is the actual, I guess, website which you can go onto, and they have basically prompts every single week, I think, where you can post your writing short story for free, and you can get some feedback. You can see other people's who have submitted their own short stories, and just kind of have a nice writing space to kind of keep up with your writing. And it really hones your skill in creating short stories in particular, because of course you get a prompt and you have to write about it, and you get to publish it and actually put it on the website and get people to comment and everything. And I just found this really, really helpful, also just getting into writing, and yeah, when I just started my writing hobby. So this was so fun for me. The next writing platform is really cool. It's called Incarnate, and it's basically where you create your own map. Yes, you can create your own map for free, which is literally amazing. So if you have like a big world building system, or just have like, it doesn't even need to be like fantasy, it can be like contemporary, where there's just like a map in your book. Maybe there's a huge heist and you want to kind of create a sort of village where the heist takes place. Like, you can do this in Incarnate, and it's literally amazing. I had so much fun creating a few maps for especially my fantasy projects, and it really does add so much, because when I think about it, like whenever there's a book with a map in it, I am obsessed automatically. It's really weird and interesting, but it also helps you get into the story and see your book physically, geographically, you know what I mean? So this platform is really great for that. Next up is Pinterest. I hope you have heard of that before. Yeah, Pinterest is amazing. I use Pinterest every single day. Every single day. You can actually follow me, I think. This is my handle, I guess. Follow me if you want. I do have some boards open, and as you guys know, I am publishing Project Ghost, which is called Ghost Side, by the way. That's my book, that's my book. And over on my Instagram, that you guys should definitely go follow me on my Instagram. Please follow me, because I post a lot of reels, a lot of content, and I recently just uploaded a aesthetic page which has like the concept, the character, the setting aesthetic for my book Ghost Side. So that was so fun. So of course I used Pinterest to create those amazing boards and see those amazing photos. Pinterest is just amazing, full stop. Exclamation mark. I think I have one more, but technically I want to do an additional one because it's also really fun. But the 8th one is NaNoWriMo. NaNoWriMo is an amazing word tracker website that allows you to create new projects, especially in NaNoWriMo, which we are technically in right now. Yes, we are in November. Sounds crazy, I know. But if you're really into word tracking and kind of having your project and, you know, working on it every single day, or you just want to kind of participate in a challenge, NaNoWriMo has so many different challenges also throughout the year. I think they have like Camp July or Camp August. Definitely check out NaNoWriMo. It's literally amazing. And last but not least, this is kind of a bonus one, but that is ChatGTP. I've done a couple of videos about ChatGTP and how it's actually helped me through AI create plots and different stuff. So if you want to check out those videos, definitely go check that out in the iCard. But yeah, ChatGTP is specifically really good for you to get stuff brainstormed, to get ideas, to get a plot structure. So you can literally just type in whatever sort of prompt you want. For example, you can ask like, tell me a setting that is set in a graveyard and something that can happen in a graveyard. That just gives you ideas and information and kind of helps you organize stuff. You don't have to take everything that you find on ChatGTP. But anyways, that is it. That is all the platforms that I literally use quite often and really organize, develop, slay the writing stuff. Anyways, everyone, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope this was really helpful for you. I got a couple comments wanting me to do this video, so I hope this helps you guys. However, please check out Taylor's down below, Taylor's.io. It's an amazing website. So yeah, click the link in the description to check out Taylor's today, and I really hope you guys have a lot of fun brainstorming your book. Anyways, guys, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next writing video. Bye, everyone.